Fully automated post-packaging production line for chili sauce. The double-head waterproof can sealing machine operates synchronously with both heads, immediately completing a precise double-edge sealing after filling to form the first strong seal. The can body does not rotate during the sealing process, preventing spills and protecting the integrity of liquid, fragile or carbonated products. Built with a waterproof, easy clean construction that withstands cleaning, the 8-wheel capping machine automatically enters the capping station after sealing. The equipment gently and tightly screws the plastic cap on. The 8-wheel capping process eliminates clamps, effectively protecting the can body, while ensuring a reliable seal and preventing oil leakage from the chili sauce. The top plane labeling machine performs high-speed and precise labeling on the can lid surface. The shrink wrapping machine automatically wraps heat shrink labels onto the can body. Through a steam tunnel, the labels are heated evenly and fit tightly to the can's contours, forming a fully enclosed visual packaging that is moisture-proof, dust-proof, and has excellent shelf appeal. With integrated production line and efficient collaboration, the 4 machines are automatically connected via conveyor belts, achieving full automation from can sealing to label shrinking. This makes it an ideal choice for large-scale packaging in the chili sauce and other sauce industries.